Hi everyone, it's Tiffany here to do my recap. Tesla was on my watch list this morning. It had a great catalyst. It's joining the S&P 500. It had some great volume, great daily. As you can see right here is Tesla on the daily, and 460. This 461 level has been an important level for Tesla on the daily back in a day in September and October. So I was really watching it to see how it was going to react to that level. And because it opened so weak, I was kind of watching it for an opening range breakdown. But I prefer to either do 5-minute opening range breakdowns or 15-minute. So after the first 15-minute closed with hardly any wicks, I figured it was going to come back and test the VWAP and head back down to some other important levels. And so that's what I was looking for. And I thought I was getting in on a pullback on after this first 5-minute closed, and then I realized that it wasn't ready yet, so I exited my position fairly quickly. It pushed up, hit this level that I was watching for, had some tweezer tops here on the 5-minute, and then this 5-minute candle closed below the VWAP. The next 5-minute candle, it came back, tested the VWAP again, and then when it broke down, I went short and with a stop above the VWAP. And I took a couple quick partials, and then I was stopped out at break even, but I knew that this was going to break down more, so I re-entered the position as it was breaking down through the VWAP and made another new 5-minute low. And then I took partials at previous daily levels that I had marked, or moving averages. And my ultimate goal was for it to make it to this 440 level right here, because this is a level that has been a great support or resistance level in the past. It took a while. It consolidated for a while, and then it popped down. I went ahead and exited my entire position, and I kind of left a lot of money on the table because it went down quite a bit after that. And then check out this beautiful head and shoulders that Tesla put up on the 5-minute. An inverse head and shoulders. Here's your left shoulder, your head, your right shoulder. And I just didn't trade it beautifully. I was very impatient. Once I saw that this 5-minute candle closed as a hammer doji, and then this 15-minute closed as a hammer doji, it made a new high. I was very impatient, and I went long, and I took a few partials and then was stopped out at break even. Then I tried it again, and then one more time. I should have been patient enough to wait till after this shoulder right here till it made a new high. That was my original plan watching this. I said that I would not trade a reversal on Tesla unless it gave me either a very clear double bottom or head and shoulders. And this was the head and shoulders that I was looking for. I just wasn't patient enough. But anyhow, I did end up taking it long, and I partialed through previous daily levels and moving averages. And then when it came up through here, 445 and 446 was a very strong level earlier that day. So I thought that it was going to push up through there, hit the VWAP, and then bounce back down. But so I added to my position, and then it put up this doji right here. So then I wasn't so sure. So then when it made a new 5-minute low, I went ahead and sold the rest of my position. It did come and test the VWAP a couple times and head back down. But those were my trades for the day. I hope you all had a great day, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.